In this video, we are going to continue with our study of the second property, that is the property of number. And so far we have covered the first property, and now we have already started the second property of numbers, and we have seen that Arabic isms can be grouped into singular, dual and plural depending on the number of the ism. Okay, so we have also covered the sound of masculine plurals, and we have also seen broken plurals. So in this video, we are going to see how to make sound feminine plurals. So let's start making sound feminine plurals. So as we know, sound plurals means we are going to add few letters at the ending of our singular isms. And we also know that Arabic isms can occur in any of the following three states: Dhamma or Marfu state, Mansub state, that is with Fathatain, and Majroor state, that is with Kasratain. So in order to make these isms plural, we need to add ending letters. Okay, so in order to make this ism here in Marfu state to plural, we need to remove un, dhammatain, and we have to add atun, alif and ta with dhammatain. So our result is muslimatun. Muslimatun is one female and muslimatun is are many females. In mansub state, we are going to remove same the ending sign fathatain, and we are going to add alif and ta with kasratain, atin. And the result is muslimatin. Okay. And from majroor state, we have to remove this sign kasratain and we have to add atin. So again, if you have noticed, we have same ending sign, ending letters for mansub as well as majroor forms. And depending on the context of the sentence, we will be able to find which one is, whether this noun is mansub or majroor. You don't have to worry about that right now. Here we are just practicing how to make sound feminine plurals. So this is how we make feminine sound plurals. Okay, and I have written here duals just for the comparison purpose. We have the same ending letters as we have for dual for masculine, if you remember, any and any, but we have to retain here the ta here. So we retain the ta here, muslima taini, and this is how we will distinguish this from the dual of masculine. Okay, muslimaini is masculine dual, but muslimataini is feminine dual. Anyways, we are not dealing with duals here. This was just for you to compare these two, and right away you can know that plurals are gonna have this ending atin, atun, atin, atin, and duals are gonna have taini. Okay, so this is how we make feminine sound plurals, and let's go on. And okay, so to sum up so far what we have covered, isms can be grouped as singular, dual and plural, and in plural we know that we have sound plurals as well as broken plurals. But I thought of simplifying the plurals based on type of plurals isms can take. That is, we know that plurals can be non-human plurals and human plurals. So non-human plurals, non-human isms, they can form plurals by taking atun ending, and they can also form broken plurals, and they are always treated as feminine singular. So here one important point, the atun ending which we have just now seen, this ending, atun ending, is also used for non-human isms to make plural. Atun can also be taken by non-human isms to make plurals. This is not just for human feminine isms. Non-human plurals can also take atun ending, just atun ending. Okay, because Okay, so there are two possibilities for non-human plurals. They can make plurals by taking aton ending, and they can also take broken plurals. And when it comes to human plurals, they can make plurals by taking aton endings, that is, human femininisms will make plural by taking aton ending. Then human masculine plurals, they are going to make sound plurals with wow noon and ya noon ending. And human masculine plurals can also make plural by taking broken plurals. So the point I want to highlight here is this aton ending can be taken by both human and non-human isms. But wow noon and ya noon, that is sound masculine plurals, are only used by human masculine isms. Okay, this is very important. Wow noon, ya noon endings are not taken by non-living things. They are reserved just for human masculine isms. Okay, and human masculine isms can also take broken plurals. But the human feminine isms, they are gonna make plurals just by this ending aton. Okay, so please make this point very clear. Hope I did not confuse you here. Try to write down these points and make it very clear that this ending is not shared by non-human isms. This is reserved just for human isms, and human feminine isms, they take just one form of plurals, that is aton. Non-human things or non-living things can make plural in two ways. They can take aton ending or they can be broken plural. Okay, so let's move on to some practice problems for sound feminine plurals. Okay, now here are our singular isms, the right side, tolibatun. So we know what is the gender of this ism. This is feminine, and because of tamarbuta, as well as this belongs to humans. Okay, so tolibatun. So all we have to do is we have to add aton ending here. So please try to make plurals, sound plurals for all these isms here. So all these belong to human feminines. Okay, that is okay. Here is a typo. There should be bintun. Both of them are plural, but their daughter, it should be bintun. Banatun is plural. Okay, now as far as non-living isms are concerned, I thought of bringing up Quranic references so that you can directly practice finding the sound feminine isms there, sound feminine plurals there. Uh, so here I have highlighted the feminine plurals in red. So here is our first example, zulumatin. Okay, so here this alif mad fatha followed by alif, and so we write that thing like this short alif here. So zulumatin. This is plural. How do I know? Because of this thing here, atin. So singular is zulmatun. Zulmatun means darkness. Singular is zulmatun and the plural is zulumatin. Okay, so second one is samaratin. Again, this is plural. How do I know? I see atin here. The singular is samaratun. And solihatin, solihatun, as-solihatu. Okay, so if you wish, you can also look over and find these plurals as we have done with sound masculine plurals. You can also look over through Quran, and that will build up your practice. And also do check the exercises and resources available to you. I'll try to post the link below, but I hope those exercises are gonna help you tremendously. And that is all for this lesson. See you all in the next.